Okay, class A, this lesson about sending messages simulation, and already we spoke last class about the simulation, and we explained what does it mean simulation and root also, and packet. Here we are going to speak about packet switching. The simulation you have just played is a simple way of showing packet switching. A message is split into small sections called packets. That means the message, it will not go all as one packet. It will be divided into small sections called packet. That is the definition of packets. If I ask you define a packet is a message which is split into small sections. As the packet travel across the internet, it's switched onto the clearest route. Okay, that means it will go the message, it will go through the clearest route so as to avoid lagging or to avoid what we can say delaying in time. Packet switching is a reliable way of sending messages over the internet. Almost all messages reach their destination correctly. Packet switching is used to send data across local area networks as well as the internet. So it's a reliable reliable packet. Reliable means what? Reliable means 100%. Okay, the message will be delivered to another side of the internet. Packet switching is carried out automatically by your computer and other hardware in a network. You use packet switching every time you log on to the internet. So that means what? No need to send the package by the user, okay, of the computer. Computer itself, the one from the functioning of the computer, it's to carry out the package, okay, while you are using the computer to another computer or to another network, and also receiving package which is send it to you or send it to the user or send it to your computer from another destinations. Okay, let us speak here about what a packet contains. Okay, so as to know exactly what the form of the packet. You already know that packet contains a small part of complete message. So that means the message, it should be completed, and after that it can be sent it outside of the computer in form of packet. If it is incomplete, it will not be sent outside of the computer. The data in the package is stored as digital data. So that means what? We already agree computer will never ever deal, okay, with any other number apart from 0 1, which is called the binary, okay, binary code, 0 and 1. Anything, okay, in any other form apart or away from 0 and 1, computer can never understand and can never deal with it. Each packet contains some extra data, like the address of the person, okay. That is something common. If you are sending anything, even if you are using the ordinary post office, you have to write your name, the sender, sorry, sender name and the sender address. That means this message is coming from where, because if in case if it is not delivered to another site, it will be returned back to the same address. So the address of person the person the message is being sent it to. When you send an email, you must always add the address of the person you are sending it to. Yes, for example, if you send the email to any person and it's failed to deliver, immediately you will get a notification like failing of delivering the message, delivering the email to the destination. Okay, the sequence of the sequence number. The sequence number of the package. You saw in the simulation the package can arrive at their destination in the wrong order. That means it will not be in the proper order. A sequence number allows the receiver computer to sort the package into the right order. That means your computer will receive randomly the packages. Okay, the packets will be received randomly through the receiver on your computer, and after that it will be again organized and sorted in the right order. The total number of the packets in the message, the receiver computer uses this information to check if it has received all the packets or not. That means what? It's same like the teacher doing the attendance, standing or the receiver, okay, on the gate of your computer, receive the package and start counting, okay, 2 3 4 whatever, okay. Let us count it in a number so as it will be easier for you to understand. And he will be waiting, or it will be waiting until the all the data, okay, and all the numbers of packets received, because if it is not received all, that means the message or the information will be incomplete and the computer cannot, translate it and view it to you. Okay, if any packets are missing, the computer send a message back to the sender as ask, you know for them to be resend this. Okay, that means if there is incomplete, the computer will not just take the message and transfer it form of 0 1 and show it to you. Computer will send back to the sender so as they will send the missing bar. This is done automatically, so you don't have to resend the whole message. So that means all this operation will be controlled, all this operation will be controlled and done with a computer. So that means you will just sit, okay, and do your work, receive your work, send back your work, okay, or save it on your computer. Okay,